Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super cool and totally natural. How to make your own charcoal toothpaste right at home. It's easy, affordable, and best of all, you know exactly what you're putting into your mouth. So why charcoal? Well, activated charcoal has become a big deal in oral care lately because it helps remove stains, absorbs toxins, and gives your teeth a natural whitening boost. Sounds good, right? Alright, here's what you're going to need. Some food-grade activated charcoal powder, baking soda, coconut oil, and a few drops of peppermint essential oil for that minty fresh feeling. Now, if you want to level it up, you can also add bentonite clay for detoxifying and texture, or xylitol, a natural sweetener that actually helps fight cavity-causing bacteria. Step 1. Gently melt 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. You just want it soft and mixable, not hot. In a bowl, preferably not metal if you're using bentonite clay, mix 1 teaspoon of activated charcoal and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Toss in your optional bentonite clay and xylitol if you're using them. Next, pour in the melted coconut oil, little by little, until you get a nice, thick paste. Adjust the amount based on how firm or soft you want your toothpaste. Then, add 4 to 6 drops of peppermint essential oil, or try spearmint or clove if you're feeling adventurous. Give it a good stir, and you're done. Just store it in a small, airtight jar and scoop it out with a spoon when you're ready to brush. Now, let's talk about how to use it. Wet your toothbrush, scoop a pea-sized amount, and brush gently for around 2 minutes. Rinse well. Since charcoal can be abrasive, it's best to use this about 2 or 3 times a week. Using it daily might wear down your enamel. Okay, maybe you're thinking, what if I don't like coconut oil? Or what if I prefer a gel texture? No worries, I've got you covered. Alternative number 1. Use aloe vera gel instead of coconut oil. Just mix 1 teaspoon of activated charcoal, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 tablespoon of pure aloe vera gel. You can still add a little coconut oil if you want, plus a few drops of essential oil. It's great for people with sensitive gums and has a soothing effect. Alternative number 2. Want something dry and travel-friendly? Make a charcoal tooth powder. Mix 2 teaspoons of activated charcoal, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and if you like, add 1 teaspoon of calcium carbonate for enamel support and 1/2 teaspoon of clove or cinnamon powder for flavor and extra antibacterial power. Just shake it all up in a jar and dip a wet toothbrush into it whenever you need to brush. Let's talk about what others are saying. Sylvie, a holistic wellness coach, mentioned that when she first started using this charcoal toothpaste, she was skeptical. But after just a couple of uses, her teeth felt noticeably smoother, and within a few weeks, she saw a visible improvement in brightness. She loved the fresh feeling it left without the chemical aftertaste. And she even noticed that her breath stayed fresher longer than with store-bought brands. Another user, Jason, a fitness trainer, said he appreciated the natural ingredients and how it made his morning routine feel more intentional. He noticed less plaque buildup and liked the control he had over the strength of the formula, depending on how much baking soda or coconut oil he added. Even Emily, a mom of 2 and a DIY enthusiast, shared that the powder version became her go-to while traveling. She said it was mess-free, lasted a long time, and made brushing her teeth feel more like a mindful ritual than a chore. So overall, people from all walks of life are loving the flexibility, freshness, and natural feel of homemade charcoal toothpaste. One quick heads up, charcoal toothpaste isn't great for veneers, crowns, or any dental work because it could stain them. And if it's your first time using essential oils in your mouth, do a patch test first. If you feel any irritation or sensitivity, it's best to stop. And that's it. You now have not just 1 but 3 ways to make natural charcoal toothpaste at home. Whether you're into the creamy coconut version, the soothing aloe blend, or the dry powder, there's a version that fits your lifestyle. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you try it out or have your own twist on the recipe. See you in the next one.